The next section within expert mode of FlashPrint slicer settings is the general interface. The general interface allows us to customize layer height settings, print speeds, and retraction settings. The first section is layer height. The first drop-down allows us to select between fixed and variable layer heights. Fixed layer heights maintain the same layer thickness throughout the print, with only the first layer being customizable. Variable layer heights allow us to modify the level of detail by increasing or decreasing the layer height by a percentage using a control list. The next section is speed. Base print speed is an important setting that affects many other sections within the slicer. It controls the movement speed of the nozzle during extrusion. Travel speed is generally slightly faster than the base print speed, as it controls the movement speed of the nozzle during movements without extrusion. The minimum speed sets the slowest speed the nozzle will move at. First layer maximum speed sets a limit on the print speed to ensure a good first layer is achieved. First layer travel speed can also assist with adhesion by preventing the nozzle from moving too quickly between extrusions. You can slow down the print speed for the first few layers with this setting. This does not apply to the first layer, however, so a setting of 3 layers would affect layers 2, 3, and 4 with the print speed set below. The final section is retraction. Retraction length is the amount of filament pulled back into the nozzle before beginning a layer change or travel movement. Perfecting this setting can help prevent both stringing and oozing. A higher setting can better prevent stringing, however, too high and it can cause a clog in the nozzle or hot end. Retract speed affects the speed of the previously mentioned retraction movement. It is highly recommended to experiment with these settings when going to a new roll of filament to ensure the best possible results. Extrude speed controls how fast filament is being pushed through the nozzle after retraction. Extra restart length will feed extra filament through when the print resumes and can help to prevent under extrusion after retraction.